Most Americans are walking into April 2026 completely unprepared for what's happening with credit. Interest rates are sitting between 18 and 28% APR on standard cards. The One Big Beautiful Bill Act, the OBBBA, is actively rewriting federal student loan limits and changing how loans are reported to credit bureaus. And banks have quietly deployed new approval algorithms that filter out what they call thin-file applicants. If you're building credit from scratch, the window for easy approvals is narrowing. But 5 specific cards right now are still designed to accept beginners and actually reward you while you build. I'm Adam from CardWise. Here are the 5 best beginner credit cards for April 2026. Let's start with the card redefining how beginners enter the credit ecosystem, the Chase Freedom Rise. Chase was historically off-limits to newcomers. You needed a 700-plus FICO score or an existing relationship. The Freedom Rise flipped that script. It's built for limited or no credit history. No annual fee. 1.5% cashback on every purchase. And you get free access to Chase Credit Journey to monitor your FICO score as it grows. But here's the strategy most beginners miss. If you open a Chase checking account and maintain a balance of at least $250, your approval odds increase significantly. It's not a published requirement, but Chase's internal review process views that balance as a stability signal. Think of it as a quiet advantage. This card also places you inside the Chase ecosystem. From here, your natural upgrade path leads to the Freedom Unlimited, then the Sapphire Preferred. You're not just getting a starter card. You're entering a long-term system. If you're a college student right now, the Discover It Student Cashback Card is arguably the highest value, no annual fee option available. The reason is the Cashback Match program. Discover tracks every dollar of cashback you earn during your first year, then matches it completely. If you earn $160, Discover adds another $160. That's $320 for spending you were doing anyway. The April through June rotating categories for 2026 are restaurants and home improvement. That means 5% cashback on dining out, takeout, and any supplies you buy for summer projects or dorm upgrades. You do need to activate those categories each quarter in the Discover app. 30 seconds, and it's done. No FICO score requirement for approval. No annual fee. If you're a student building credit from zero, the math favors this card heavily. The third card on this list solves the single biggest fear beginners have: getting rejected and damaging their credit. The Amex Blue Cash Everyday comes with a tool called Apply with Confidence. You submit an application. Amex tells you whether you're approved and your potential credit limit, all before any hard inquiry touches your credit report. If you're declined or dislike the offer, you walk away with zero impact to your FICO score. Once approved, the rewards are genuinely useful. 3% cashback at U.S. supermarkets, up to $6,000 in annual spending. 3% on gas. 3% on online retail purchases. 1% on everything else. No annual fee. Amex reports to all 3 major credit bureaus. The typical approval threshold sits in the mid to high 600s. If you've been an authorized user on a parent's card or held a secured card for 6 months, you may already qualify. And now, you can check without risk. Fourth is the Capital One Quicksilver Secured. And this card is designed for one specific purpose: getting you out of the secured card category as fast as possible. Most secured cards trap you. Your deposit stays locked away indefinitely with no clear timeline for return. Capital One operates differently. They call it the automated upgrade path. You place a refundable security deposit, typically $200. Your credit limit matches that deposit. You use the card responsibly. Pay on time. Keep balances low. After approximately 6 months, Capital One automatically reviews your account for graduation to an unsecured card. No new application. No hard inquiry. If approved, your deposit is returned and your account continues building history uninterrupted. While you're building, you earn 1.5% cashback on every purchase with no categories and no annual fee. The fifth and final card is for students who want a straightforward cashback structure and a fast welcome bonus. The Bank of America Unlimited. Cash Rewards for Students offers a $200 online cash rewards bonus after you spend $1,000 in the first 90 days. For a student-focused card with no annual fee, that bonus is exceptionally competitive. The rewards are simple. Unlimited 1.5% cashback on all purchases, no rotating categories, no activation requirements, no caps. If you prefer a set-it-and-forget-it card rather than tracking quarterly bonuses, this structure is appealing. You'll typically need some credit history to qualify. A FICO score in the mid-600s is recommended. If you're completely new, build 6 months of history with a secured card first, then apply. Here's how to choose your card based on where you stand today. If you have no credit history whatsoever, start with the Capital One Quicksilver Secured. Build 6 months of consistent payments and let the automated upgrade path work for you. If you're a student, choose between Discover It Student for maximum first-year cashback through the Match program, or Bank of America Student, if you want that $200 welcome bonus quickly. If you have some credit already and want to check approval risk-free, the Amex Blue Cash Everyday with Apply with Confidence is your safest entry point. And if you want the smartest long-term ecosystem play, especially with a Chase checking account, the Freedom Rise is your card. One principle ties all 5 cards together. Pay your balance in full every single month. At 18 to 28% APR, carrying a balance erases every dollar of cashback you earn. Use the card. Let it report your responsible payments to the bureaus. Watch your FICO score grow. But never pay interest to build credit. It's unnecessary and expensive. If this guide helped you, subscribe to CardWise. New videos every week covering credit cards, side hustles, and financial strategies for beginners navigating 2026. I'm Adam. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.